While next to each other vehicles keep on reshaping the ATV scene, Porsche newcomer Mahindra is making a play for purchasers looking for a more conventional, generally useful utility vehicle. As such, look at the sweet smaller than normal Jeep. Affirm, we're being somewhat flippant, yet in this side of the equator, seeing an open-top steel body with an upright grille and flat-top bumpers on a boxed step outline with 4x4 capacity makes Jeep examinations inescapable. Considering that the Indian automaker got its begin by bringing in and later building Willys Jeeps under permit after World War II, the likenesses should come as meager amazement. Auto dorks of the sort that populate the C D workplaces will rush to call attention to that the Roxor looks like the Mega Air Alfa Romeo 1900 and Mazda 4x4, those with really arcane tastes will name-check the Crossley Farmo Road. By the looks of the measurements underneath, the Roxor's 148-inch length including the extra tire places it allied with the around 139-inch long Jeep CJ7. Mahindra said the base check weight is 3,035 pounds. Likewise, the Roxor's powertrain is about out of this world ordinary, doing without the CVT and belt drive setup supported by numerous ATVs. The Roxor utilizes an overwhelming obligation Mahindra turbo diesel 2.5-liter 4-barrel motor delivering 62 strength and 144 pounds-feet of torque. A 5-speed manual transmission courses torque to a Dana T18 2-speed exchange case, and 3.73 riggings turn in full drifting front and back axles suspended on leaf springs. There are 9.0-inch circle brakes in the front and 11.0-inch drums in the back. Ground leeway is 9.0 inches. The 16-inch wheels, steel is standard, but aluminum edges are discretionary, are wrapped on 235/70 R16 tires. Top speed is constrained to 45 miles per hour, Mahindra stated, in light of the fact that this is an appropriate speed restraint given how most shoppers are probably going to utilize the vehicle. The creator claims preparatory mileage after effects of 32 to 34 miles per gallon and gives a greatest tow rating of 3,490 pounds. Mahindra overseeing Chief Pawan Goenka said the Roxor stays consistent with the organization's inheritance of real, tough, reason-driven vehicles and that it will be worked in light of strength. The creator hasn't yet uncovered any value in data, however notes that the Roxor is delegated an off-throughway vehicle. How that will play into legalities in regards to permitting, protection and on-street use, as with golf trucks and ATVs, will be resolved for the most part by neighborhood standards and directions. Considered, outlined, built and delivered in Metro Detroit, the Roxor is the producer's first trade into the buyer ATV advertise. Already in the news for its buy of storied outline house Pininfarina and its U.S. Postal Service vehicle model, Mahindra Automotive North America will fabricate the Roxor and its as-of-late open 400,000 square foot producing Focus and World Detroit's Auburn Hills. Mahindra is still during the time spent joining merchants, asserting it is nearing the 300 stamp as of March 2, 2018. We've just started bothering Mahindra for a test vehicle to get a thought of exactly how much mishandle this little Jeeplet can take.